welcome to this introductory video to Wonder Workshops. During this I'm going to show you how you can actually make one of these pretty strong pieces of paper, compressed and rolled into a very strong and hard wearing rod. So first of all, we're going to start off with the newspaper you've been saving over the last couple of weeks, and we're going to count out 7 sheets. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets. Take the rest of your sheets and put them to one side. You don't want to get them too wet. And then you take your 7 sheets and you take the back sheet and you separate it away from the others. So what you end up with is something that looks something like this. You then take your larger sheets in the middle and you fold them over in half, and then finally you fold the back sheet over so you end up with something looking like that. Now comes the tricky bit. You now have to start rolling this into a tube. Now don't get too worried about this, because this sticks machine here will do all the serious hard work for you in a minute. And what you'll end up with is something looking like that. Take your glue. This is a pretty important stage. Make sure you get it all the way up to the edge, and then you just finish the rolling process until you end up with your sticks rod looking something like that. Then you bring it across to your sticks machine, put it in a sticks machine with the tongue of the paper facing you. You're then going to use this rod to compress the paper down into its roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5 presses, you don't have to press too hard, you'll end up with a nice solid roll. Now when that dries, as 1 and 2 of these already have, that is actually pretty strong. Now you can actually take these rolls and you can stick them together using masking tape. And here's one that I produced which contains a nice little series of cubes. It's a nice little cube, and this cube has one real problem, is that when I put any weight on it, it starts to wobble. If I actually though change that structure into something like this, where I have a tetrahedral or maybe even a pyramid, I can put a lot of weight on this, and these are very, very strong. Now, what do these two structures have in common, and could I take the advantage of these two structures and use it to strengthen this one? Now, that's something for you to think about, and during your Wonder Workshop we'll see if we can explore some of these possibilities, building stronger structures out of simply pieces of newspaper. See you later.